In this video, I will show you how we can transfer data from QuickBooks to your Xero accounting software. Now to transfer your data from QuickBooks to your Xero, you need to follow this step. First option that you can use to transfer is using the third-party apps. There are many third-party tools available that can automate the transfer. This transferring process very easy. First is the data switcher. You can simply open up this website and then they have provided the step-by-step guide on their website how you can transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. And then second is the G account, and then last one is this mover.io. So you can use this third party applications or software to transfer your data from QuickBooks to your Xero. They are the easiest option that you can use. But if you don't want to use these options, you can use the second option, which is the manual exporting and importing data. So first we have to export the data from the QuickBooks, such as we want to export the charts of account, customers and suppliers, export transaction, bank transaction. So we have to do all of these things and then we have to import this data in our Xero. So this is the longer process. This will take some time, so you have to keep watching this video. So first thing, let me show you how you can export charts of account. So in the QuickBooks, you have to go to the report section and from there click on reports, and in this search bar you have to type account list, and you will be able to find this list of your accounts, charts of account. Now you need to click on this more actions, and from there simply click on this export as a CSV, or you can simply export it to your Excel. So just choose any of this option and then your file will be downloaded in your computer. Now let's export customers and suppliers. So click on sales and from there click on customers. Then on the screen you have to click on this second icon right next to the print icon, and your customers data will be exported. So just save this file in your computer. Then the next step is exporting the transactions. So again go to the report section, then we need to run the reports like profit and loss or balance sheet. You can simply search right here in this box. And then click on run report. Once the report has been run, you can click on this icon and then click on this export to the Excel or Google Sheet, any the option you want, and then simply save this file in your computer somewhere safe. And the last thing we need to export is the bank transactions. So click on the transactions and from there select bank transactions. Then on the screen we have to click on this second icon and from there click on OK. Now that was the process how you can export the data from your QuickBooks. Now second step is to import this data in your Xero accounting software. So open up your Xero and then you have to first we going to import the charts of accounts. So click on accounting menu from top and from there select charts of accounts. Then on this section you have to click on import. Then you have to click on this browse option, and then you have to select the file that we have used exported from the QuickBooks earlier, and then click on this import button. Now let's talk about how you can import customers and suppliers data. So you need to click on contacts. From here click on customers. Then you need to click on this three dot menu from right next to the new contact button, and then click on import. And then you have to scroll down and then click on this select file option, and then select your customers data from your computer and then click on next. Now the next step is to importing the bank transactions. So click on accounting menu from the top, and from there click on banks account. Now first you have to add your bank account to your Xero accounting by clicking on this add a bank account button. And then once the bank account has been added, you need to click on manage account button, and from there click on this import a statement, and then click on this select file option, and then simply select your file from computer and then click on this next button. To import your invoices and bills, you can use their inbuilt Xero's import tool. So you just have to click on business, and from there select invoice. After that you have to click on import, and then you can simply use this tool to import your invoices and bills from your QuickBooks by selecting your files from your QuickBooks and then clicking on this import button. So that is how you can import your data. The next step is to reconcile your bank statements in your Xero, and then you need to review and match the balance with your reports from the QuickBooks, and then you can also adjust some tax settings based on your region. So that you can do if you want. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.